morning, guys. How are you today? I hope everything is well from all of you guys. Actually, right now I am heading to our little store along the road. And since it was raining last night, so this is, oh my god, the looks of our little trail today. It's flooding. And the frogs are partying. And this is my view right now. It's still slippery, guys, so I need to be careful not to slip off. And also there are a lot of plants here, which is they have thorns on it, so we need to be careful not to step, because I am just walking barefoot. Okay, weather update, guys. And since it's raining for almost 1 week already, we need to be careful, everyone. Please always wear your raincoat, umbrellas, lots of water. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my. And we need to be careful because this plant has thorns. And sometimes we are accidentally stepped it. Frog. Here. No more water here. Oh. Ah. Okay guys, so we are now almost closed in our mini store. Yay! Okay, so wow, and there is Papa already starting to setting up. I'm so proud of you, Pa. Not only you, but to all the members of our family. And this is our situation right now. Every time when it's raining, everything will getting wet, and yeah, we need to be patient. But I just want to say that no matter how hard our situation is, we are still blessed. And remember, blessings will come to those who hustle. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that notification bell, and please share it also to all of your friends. Always remember, be blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next vlog. Mwah.